Most women over 50 think walking is just basic movement. Yet Harvard research shows it actually is the hidden key that makes every other form of exercise easier, including strength training. And you don't need 10,000 steps or perfection to get results. You know, when I started rebuilding my health and fitness, I didn't begin in the gym. I began with walking. The more I walked, the stronger and more capable I felt. Walking quietly became the spark that made everything else possible. If you're a woman over 50 who feels stuck, overwhelmed, or waiting for motivation to return, you know, you're not alone. The truth is, motivation isn't the starting point. Walking is. Hi, I'm Wendy. I help women over 50 rebuild strength, vitality, and confidence without extremes that fit into real life. You don't need to push harder. You need supportive daily patterns, and walking is the most powerful place to start. Walking shifts your body out of stress mode, improves insulin sensitivity, boosts your cellular energy, and rebuilds confidence. This is why women who walk consistently are far more likely to lift weights, stretch, hike, and enjoy movement again. Walking isn't the warm-up, it's the foundation. You know, Harvard researchers found that women who walked just 4,400 steps a day already had a significantly lower risk of dying. Increasing the steps up to about 7,500, it kind of leveled off at that point. This means you don't need perfection. You only need the consistent pattern. Most women naturally walk more once they start. One of my clients was terrified of strength training. She started with just 10 minutes of walking most days. Within a number of weeks, her energy and confidence grew. She began walking longer and added a few squats. Strength training started to feel natural, not scary. So here's how you can begin. Walk daily. Start with 15 to 30 minutes at a comfortable pace. Walking in the morning to get the sunlight, that helps for better sleep at night. Walking after meals, that helps steady the blood sugar and your energy. As you feel stronger, add a brisker pace or gentle hills, and it's good to mix it up. Once daily walking becomes a habit, strength training can become the natural next step. Quick action. If this is speaking to you, comment walk below and I'll send you my free 5-strength plan of fitness and longevity. I'll put the link in the description to this video as well. You know, walking is foundational health. It's a gentle spark that brings your strength, energy, and your confidence back. So, ask yourself this question today. If consistent walking could make every other form of exercise easier for you and protect your health long term, what would that change for you in the next 30 days? Share your comment below. I'd be interested and I read them all. So again, I invite you to download my free 5-step plan. The link is in the description. It shows you how to combine walking, strength, food, sleep, and mindset for real results. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. Maybe with a friend who needs to hear this information today. I did create these videos for you. Now, I really do want to thank you for walking with me today. I'll see you in the next video. I'm Wendy. You can find out more about us at wendybottrell.com. Thanks for being here. Enjoy.